Hello friends, today we'll be solving the question on the screen. So let's start with reading the question first. Lisa had some beads. Half of the beads are yellow, while 1 by 6 of them are pink. The remaining 90 beads are orange in color. How many beads does Lisa have? Now we can solve this question in many ways. Today I will be telling you two ways to solve it. One is using the model method and other one without using models. So let's read the question. Let's go through the question again to see what do we have. So from the question you can see here that Lisa had some beads. We don't know how many beads Lisa have. Okay, then actually that's a question because you can see at the end how many beads does Lisa have, right? Then what information do we have? We have that half of the beads are yellow. Okay, whatever beads she is having, how so many beads she is having, half of them are yellow. So half of them are yellow and 1 by 6 of them are pink. Okay, so let's start solving it using model method. Okay, so let's call it method 1. Okay, now you see how many beads are yellow? 1 by 2, right? So let's say yellow ones are 1 by 6, sorry, 1 by 2, right? And how about the pink ones? They are 1 by 6, right? Now as we know, we should always make the denominator uh, of the fraction same so that we can compare, right? Like out of total how many is each, right? So this, in order to make the denominator of this fraction 6, we should write its equivalent fraction. So you can say either you can multiply it with both numerator and denominator with 3. It will give you 3 by 6. Okay, so now let's draw the model for this. So let's say, okay, so this represents the total number of beads Lisa have, right? Now in how many parts I should break it? I should be breaking it into 6 parts, right? Because we know that 1 by 6 of the beads are pink and 3 by 6 are yellow. So the total number of beads should be broken into 6 parts. So that's why the model we will break into 6 parts. So let's do that. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this one looks a bit bigger, so never mind, let's reduce its size a bit. Okay, okay, so let's count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So the model has been divided into 6 parts. Out of this, how many are yellow? 3. So let's write it over here. 3 units are yellow, 1 is pink. How many are left? 2, right? So they are of what color? See, the remaining 90 beads are orange in color. So let's represent it by O. Okay, so these are the orange beads, right? So you can see here that the total number of beads are how many units? 6, right? Okay, this is 6, and out of 6 how many are orange? Obviously 2, right? So this one is 2 units, right? Now what else do we have in the question? It's the remaining 90 beads are orange in color. That means what? 2 unit, from here we can straight away say that 2 unit is 6 is 90, right? So how much will be 1 unit? It is 90. Okay, it's 90 divided by 2, which is 45, right? Now the question is, how many beads does Lisa have, right? So Lisa has how many units in total? 6 units, right? So 6 unit will be equal to 6 times 45, which is equal to 270, right? So that's the total number of beads. That's the total number of beads. Okay, now that's our method 1. Okay, that's we call model method. We can find it using another method as well. So let's call it method 2. Okay, so I'm going to show you another method. Okay, so now see here. Okay, the half of the beads are yellow and 1/6 of them are pink, right? So first we can find, right, what fraction of total number of beads are yellow and pink, right? So we can write here. Okay, so no need to draw the model, you can directly find it, right? So fraction of beads, okay, which are yellow and pink, right? What do you think it is? How much it will be? It's 1/2, which is the number of yellow beads. It's not the number, the fraction of yellow beads, and 1/6, right, are the pink beads. So let's add them, right? Obviously we need to convert it to its equivalent fraction, which is 3/6, then plus 1/6, which is equal to 4/6, and which we can simplify to 2/3, right? Okay, so the fraction of beads which are yellow and pink is 2/3. Okay, right? Now from this we can find the fraction of beads which are orange in color, right? Which are orange. So how do we find that? That is the whole minus 2/3, right? So whole we can write as 3/3 minus 2/3 is equal to 1/3. That means 1/3 of the total number of beads is orange, right? 1/3 of the total number of beads, okay, is orange. So what do we get from here? Okay, what we have from the question is saying that the remaining 90 beads are orange in color. That means 1/3 of the beads are orange in color, right? 1/3 of the beads. So we can say out of 3 parts, right, 1 part is orange, right? Out of the 3 parts, if we divide the whole number of beads into 3 parts or 3 units, right, one unit is orange, right? So we can say that 1 unit is equal to 90. Okay, see, because 1/3 of total, which is the orange number of beads, is 90. It's given. Okay, so what's the total number of beads, which is 3 unit, is 3. Okay, so it's 3 times 90 equals to 270. Okay, so you can see here, whichever method we use, it's whether you use method 1 or method 2, we get the same answer. Okay, so one thing you might be thinking, that why in this case the total number of beads here we are calculating is 6 units. However, in this case it is 3 units. The reason is when we are calculating in terms of fraction, right? Here you can see we have simplified the fraction. Okay, earlier we got 4 by 6 for yellow and pink. Here same as this. You can see here if you see how many yellow and pink part together, it is 4 out of 6. Then we simplified it, right? So that's why here what you are seeing here is the total number of beads is 3 unit. So basically it depends, like it's just that how you are dividing your total number of beads, whether you dividing it into 6 equal parts or you're dividing it into 3 equal parts. Okay, so that's all for this video.